Hi there, I am Diana Batrisha. Welcome to another episode of Get It. This week we take a look at lighting up on campus. Are the school authorities able to stamp out smoking on campus grounds? Is this an abuse of your basic rights to smoke? Our reporter team has the answers.
For years, smoking on campus has been one of the biggest obstacles for school authorities. From the sleazy and discreet stairways to hiding behind the bushes, corridors, and even bus stops, even in the most uncanny spaces, you could spot the student smokers. Lighting up is a matter of survival. Like drug users, smokers are finding it hard to pursue their activity freely.
Well, personally, I feel that it shouldn't be lifted simply because, as it is right now, a lot of people who, even though they're like the smoking corners and such, people do smoke at non-designated areas, and the designated areas that you should smoke are chaotic and there's a lot of rubbish. So if you actually put a ban on smoking, do you really think that people will stop smoking? I don't think so. I think that it will be even more chaotic and they will start smoking everywhere, and it will be a bigger problem than now.
No, because I bet non-smokers wouldn't appreciate the smoke being everywhere, and plus second-hand smoke is it's said to be unhealthy for those who don't smoke. So yeah, it shouldn't be lifted.
I don't think the smoking ban in RP should be lifted because if the ban were to be lifted, students will be smoking anywhere they like in the campus, and that will create a huge problem in RP. Yeah.
Thank you.
But keeping the campus smoke-free is not as easy as it seems. It's a constant battle for school authorities to provide a smoke-free environment. The policy calls for students to take pride of their campus and the education, plus respecting non-smokers.
As the saying goes, no buts about it. The smoking ban is here to stay. There are long-term benefits, for example, the cleaners having lesser area to clean and more time for other areas. This is Tim reporting for Get It.
The ban on smoking on campus is part of an initiative to stop young ones from lighting up. We will catch you with more stories next week. Thank you for tuning in to Get It.